Hi everyone, so I got my Pixel 7 today and I don't usually do unboxing video, but this is the first time I'll be looking at this device. So I wanna give you my genuine impressions, but I will be posting my first impression video in some day so that I can talk about the battery life and the experience a little bit more. But this time I just want to see how it looks, how the in-hand feel is, how the display is, what is the size of the phone comparison to my iPhone 14 Pro, and just the overall feel. So stay tuned for the video. So let's see what do we have in the box. Just got this, so I haven't opened it yet. And you have these two. Nowadays, like you literally have nothing to unbox. So this is my first look on the color. I'm not sure about it as such. The phone feels pretty light. I think it's much lighter than the Pixel 6 the last time I used it. And the phone itself doesn't feel as big as the Pixel 6 was, so that's a good thing. But let me just keep it aside. Actually, we have nothing in the box, so let's just keep the box aside and talk about the phone. So let me just remove it and turn it on. So by the time I set this up, I wanna give you an overview about a 6.1 and 6.3 inch phone. I can see the bezels are a little less, but not as much as I was expecting, and the bottom chin is a bit thicker. But overall, the phone feels really good in the hand. It does not feel heavy, it does not feel bulky by any means. So I think that's the one good thing that Google did by reducing the size. And the battery is 4355 mAh, which I think it's okay because it was 4400 on the previous Pixel 6. So yeah, this is the first look. Give me some time, I'll set it up and let's talk about how the display and everything is. And the first thing you'll notice is going to be the haptics. So every time it touches it, the haptic is really good. So the phone is set up and as you can see, it's looking for my face. So this phone has face unlock. Let me try it if it works. So yeah, it does work. It's staying on the lock screen, but I did not set up the fingerprint. Let's do it together. Just want to see how good it is because Pixel has a history with the bad fingerprints. So let me just go and set it up. I need to update the phone as well. So as you can see, the face is already added. Let me just do the fingerprint unlock as well and let's see how it works. So let me quickly set it up. At least it's working perfectly fine. In Pixel 6a, it was not able to register my finger on the first go. Oh, I just saw an error. Let me try again. Yeah, again, the same error sometimes. Let me try it slowly. This is a bit irritating sometimes. It should not happen in these devices. These are expensive devices. Let's see, doing it slowly, if it works fine. I've been facing this error like 3 times now, so I don't know what's the issue. Let me try last time. If it doesn't work, we'll see what we can do. So I was finally able to set up the fingerprint. I don't know what was the issue, but the left fingerprint registered perfectly. The phone is still updating, but let's check the fingerprint if it's worked fine. So far, so good. It's actually fast. Let me try the left finger as well. Yeah. I think it's quite fast. I hope after the update, the issue of registering will be fixed, but it's fast. I think sometimes it's unlocking with my face as well. Yeah, so the face unlock works fine as well. But otherwise, I just want to see like how the screen is. As far as I can see, the screen is much better. I saw a lot of ping in last Pixel 6, but I can see this display is much better. It's 90 hertz and it's really smooth. I don't think you're going to miss that 120 hertz refresh rate display. And I think this display is actually pretty good. Let me see the speakers as well if they have improved or not. So I think the speakers are good. They are loud and they're clear, but I think they lack a little bit bass. But otherwise, I think the speakers are good. So let me check the camera as well because it's Pixel. So why not? Let me take a picture. My Pixel 6 Pro having some focus issue. Let's see. Took some time, but I think the camera looks okay. But I'll do the more camera comparison later. This is the front camera footage from Pixel 7 and it is also recording in 4K 30 frames per second. Now you can also record from 4K 60 from the front camera, so that's a good thing. So I am in a very harsh condition right now and the sun is behind me. So as you can see, the quality and the sound from the Pixel 7. So this is a camera sample video from the rear camera. I'm recording in 4K 30 frames per second. This is Google Pixel 7 with the 50 megapixel camera. I think it's still a bit oversaturated, but the stabilization looks okay, like I'm walking and you can hear the sound as well. So Pixel 7 4K 30 frames per second. So yeah, this is my first impression of the Pixel 7. I mean, I'm saying it Pixel 6, I don't know why. But yeah, it feels a lot lighter. It's getting really hot here because of setting up. I hope the thermals are better. I will test that as well. I've also downloaded this thread test. So let me see if it's the... So I've also downloaded the CPU throttling test. I don't do it usually, but I know a lot of people will be interested. So I'm just going to do the basic test. So let's see how it works. The phone is slightly warm, but it is already set up, so I was expecting it to be a little bit fine. As of now, as you can see, it's going a little bit low. Could be the reason it was just setting up, so that's why. But Exynos CPU are not very well known for their thermal throttling. I hope Google did a little bit better this time. So it looks okay, but I wouldn't say it's a great thing. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. It's going back, but there are some red as you can see. As you can see the result, the CPU throttled to 73% and the phone is bit warm. I'm sure it'll perform a little bit better when I was not be doing it after just setting up the phone, and normal day-to-day use will be fine. So I think it's not really bad, but yeah, I won't expect a lot from the CPU. But as of now, the in-hand feel is really good about this phone. I love like how this finishes. I remember the glass one, I think it was not consistent, but I think this is actually good. Let me know if you have any question about this phone. You can ask in the comment box or you can just follow me on Twitter. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.